That's because I had a split, y'all.
All right. Okay.
When I woke up this morning, this is not.
Wait a minute.
Okay. Superstar bitch.
No, that ain't a split. That ain't a split.
You're full of F.
That was
you fat little.
Honey, no, I'm just telling you.
Bob,
that was not a split.
That was a split.
That was a split. You had your.
I can feel it. It is a split.
You had your legs apart. That's not a split. A split is 1-to-1. One goes one way, one goes the
Oh,
other.
I'm sorry. Were you the cheer captain ever?
Yeah,
No.
I damn sure was.
Alec.
Hang on, I'm a cheerleader.
Alec knows.
I'm
If you do a
better than
split like this, that's a split, right?
Well, he's talking about the side split.
Yeah, that don't
I
count.
can't do that one. I could do this one. That's
Okay,
a
that's
split.
why I'm asking you to do it.
I just did it.
No, you didn't.
That's a split.
That is a split. Keep it there. Wait, no, keep
Come on,
it.
bitch.
Oh, no!
You didn't say how long I have to keep it.
I want my banana
$20
down in the
make you
chicken.
holla.
I'm
$20.
sorry, Bob. It's a split.
Put the banana
Give me that damn
down.
banana. Let me show.
Oh!
Move it.
Oh.
Now, did you crunch it? Oh, yes, yes, you did.